guys, so this video is going to be a story time video. Okay, what is that? Okay, hopefully I can learn how to blur my background more, because my background is pretty busy right now. It's slightly annoying me. Okay, so if you follow me on Snapchat, you'd have seen when I started the hill at a certain time, and then I had to start the hill over, and I was like, guys, this is going to be a story time. This is what happened. So before I started the hill, so now we leave out early in the mornings, right? Like the latest we leave out is probably 4:20, 4:25, but we aim on leaving out at 4:15 every single morning. So this morning when I got up, I did my regular business as I always do every morning. So I felt relieved, I felt lighter, I felt ready for the hill. Now in order to get to the hill, it's a 2-mile walk to get to the hill. But when we're coming back from the hill, we normally walk a shorter way, so probably a mile or a mile and a half or something like that. But to walk to the hill initially is that 2 miles. So when I was walking to the hill, I felt a bubble. And when I felt the bubble, I was like, no, this is not about to happen. I'm not about to do this because I have to go to the hill. So I kept on walking, and I was feeling, it was like, you know what, I can't turn back now, I have to go. And when I got to the hill, like the foot of the hill, like I'm starting and I'm going on that incline, guys, you guys call them thorns. In Jamaica we call them maca. You know, I feel like maca, they'll joke me, you know what I mean? When I say I feel the jokings, I said, no man, I call my friend who lived close by. She didn't, but it was the closest house I could think about at the time, and I couldn't get her on her phone. I started to panic, and then I saw a man coming down the hill. I was like, Mommy, I'm going to ask if you have any tissue, because I just plan to go to the bush. I was just planning on going to I have a friend here. That plan to go to the bush for just do it and done. So when Mr. Maga asked him, Mommy said, no, don't ask him. You just we have to just turn back. I said, Mommy, can't get tissue on her phone, and if we go walk back now next mile and a half, I'm not gonna make it. Same time, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ sent a ram in the bush. Same time, Mr. Auntie bust the corner, because she live right across the road from here. And as me see her, I said, Auntie, I need to use the bathroom. You have air freshener on the hill. I did not care. It was so real to me. That has never happened to me. I've always been able to hold my own. I've never had to do that. That's just not me. I can hold my movements. I can hold it, you know. So I had to pass the gas station. She was like, okay, let's check the gas station, because the gas station would more than likely be. I'm like, no, is the gas station open? And she's like, yeah man, supposed to. But I'm like, this is a 24-hour gas station. I was like, pretty early, that's probably after 5. She's like, no man, them open. So I went to the gas station, and I went to the door, and I was like, please, because the bathroom, please, the bathroom, please. I can't not about that. I don't have the key. I could not believe this woman was not letting me in to the gas station, so she don't have the key. She does not, and the attitude she gave me was, it's like I've been going there morning after morning, and I should learn to control myself because this is annoying her. I just couldn't believe it, and I walk off, and I looked back like, I cannot believe she's not allowing me to use the bathroom. I clearly want to use the bathroom. So now I was walking down. I had to live. I didn't remember where Auntie lived, but I knew she lived across the road. So as I was walking, I felt a passage. I felt something passing through my body, and all I was, and I was just like, no God, I can't do that to myself on the road. I cannot do that myself on the roadside. It just not possible. It not possible. So I got to the house, and as me reach, Mr. Auntie asked the second time, you have air freshener? And she just laughed. All she did was loud, and I was like, Lord have mercy. First of all, I know her from the hill. We're not like buddies where we can say, you know. I just knew her. I just knew of her. But it was still kind of awkward for me to use somebody else's bathroom to do that. So after it, this is just like a lifetime bathroom hack. Okay, so whenever you no. Why are you taking off my wig? Whenever you go to, you should, the first set that comes down, you should flush that set, and it won't smell as bad when you're through. It's just I hear about it, Jonathan. I heard about it. I did it, and it really and truly does work. But I do it every single time, you know, I pass a set. I flush and I flush and I flush, and there's absolutely no sense. So I was like, you know what? I don't need air freshener. I got a hack. So yeah, that was the time I almost let go. I almost let go. Oh, I could feel the doo-doo running through my clothes. My bowels let me down, but I went straight to her house, and I do too. So I could let go. Sing it with me. So I do. Yes, Jonathan. But yeah, I'm done. So that's it for this little story time. I don't know if I can do more story times. My life is not that exciting. If you want to know what story times, you should really check out Paris. I'll leave her channel linked in the description bar below. She doesn't know I'm doing this video. We're not doing a collab. We're not. I'm just saying, her story times are boss. Her life, I'm just like, bruh, you cannot be going through this much things. Her most recent one is why she quit Sephora. I mean, all that I've seen by the time you see this video, because I'm sure she's going to be doing more. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this story time, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, ta-da. My bowels let me down. I'm going to record that song. Yes, in a song good. Yeah. My bowels let me down. Can you imagine that on my nights?
The one ya the God woman anthem, God woman pledge, God woman we no borrow na bed. The God woman them way ya do what God said. I wanna anthem this.